Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Haria and I'll bring everyday news for all of you. As of yesterday, 2,54,629 new corona cases were reported all over India. Total number of active cases was 30.29 lakhs. As of yesterday, 18.7 crore Indians got vaccinated. Still, 5 states account for almost 50% of the total cases. They are Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Yesterday in Mumbai, 1,425 new corona cases were reported. There is a continuing decline in corona cases due to continuing lockdown in Mumbai and Maharashtra. Indian Council of Medical Research, that is ICMR, has given its approval to the country's first home-based self-use rapid test kit for COVID-19 developed by MyLab Discovery Solution. The self-use kit can be used by symptomatic individual and immediate contacts of confirmed cases as per ICMR guideline. Test kit will require individual to download app on their mobile phone but will not require any healthcare professional to take the swab. Individual can take their own swab and test it and the result will be known within minutes. With several parts of country reporting surge in the supplement fungal infection, mucormycosis in COVID-19 patient, Health Ministry made this infection notifiable, making it mandatory for states to report all these such cases to the Integrated Disease Surveillance Program, that is IDSP. Raigad district in Maharashtra got badly hit in current cyclone and more than 11,000 houses and 1,500 hectare land got damaged. India will scale up COVID-19 test to 45 lakhs per day by June end. Government extended deadline for filing individual income tax return for the financial year 2020-21 to September 30, 2021 from earlier July 30, 2021. This will give relief to all individuals who need to file their income tax return. Yesterday, Indian stock market continued its decline due to profit booking and BSE Sensex was down by 338 points and closed at 49,565 points. $1 was equal to rupees 73.11. Bosch, one of the leading automobile component manufacturer, reported 482 crore of profit for the last quarter of 2021. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, that is HPCL, one of the leading oil company in India, reported standalone profit of 10,663 for the last quarter of 2021. This is Dinesh Haria signing off.